Greetings, math lovers. Today we're going to be doing the mode of a grouped frequency distribution. Right? So just take a minute to note the formula and the terms. You may pause the video to do this. Alright, so let's go to the terms. In this formula, L1 represents the lower boundary for the modal class. Now we went through the calculation of boundaries when we're doing the median video, so you may wish to go back to that to refresh your memory if necessary. Alright, so L1 represents the lower boundary of the modal class, and the modal class is simply the class with the largest frequency. So just look in the frequency column for the largest frequency, and that gives us our modal class. CW stands for class width, which we already went through in our median video. F mode minus F above. F mode is the frequency of the modal class. I will subtract from that the frequency of the previous row, which is the row that's above it in the table. So the frequency from the modal class minus the frequency immediately above it. The other part says F mode minus F below, which is the frequency of the modal class minus the frequency that is immediately below it. Right? So the first thing we want to do is pick up these values from our table, and then we can plug them into the formula accordingly. Alright, so the first thing we want to identify is our modal frequency, our modal class. So we're looking in the frequency column for the largest frequency, and we notice that that is 14, which means that our modal class is the range of scores 31 to 40. So F mode is 14. Also L1, which is a lower boundary for this class, would be half to the left, which is 30.5. So L1 is 30.5. The class width we already identified as 10. The modal frequency, F mode, is 14. The one above it is 9. And F below is the one below, which is 7. I haven't gotten all of these figures. L1, 30.5. Class width, 10. And then we could do the calculation. F mode minus F above, 14 minus 9 is 5. F mode minus F below, 14 minus 7 is 7. So we can just place these figures in our formula accordingly. So remember, we'll have 30.5 plus 10 times 5 divided by 5 plus 7, which is 12. Right, so we'll have 30.5 plus 10 times in bracket 5 over 5 plus 7. 5 plus 7 works out to 12. 5 divided by 12 works out to 0.417. Multiplied by 10, we get 4.17. And then 30.5 plus that gives us 34.67 units. And that's our mode. Right, so the middle score, or the most popular score, is 34.67. So as usual, guys, have fun with these calculations. Keep practicing, and we'll talk again soon.